Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, how you all doing? I've really missed you guys. Finally we are back from Nigeria, guys. So we got back like 3 days ago. So as you can see, I'm still really tired. Well, thank God for Johnny Mercy. So how you guys doing, my YouTube family? How you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are also keeping safe. So guys, today I'm just going to like show you guys how I unbox my Samsung Galaxy Pro earbud. You guys remember I shared with you guys when I kind of did my phone unboxing. I told you guys that it comes with this AirPod. So guys, the process wasn't really easy, to tell you the truth. It wasn't really easy, but at last it came. So I just got back from Nigeria and I saw that it arrived, because they wrote me, like they emailed me that they already posted it. So I just asked somebody to help me collect it. So yeah, it is, guys. I'm just going to like unbox it. It's free, guys, so I didn't really pay for it. I just had to follow the procedure and do the kind of online filling and all that. So yeah, it is, guys. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. In case you've already ordered yours, just have to go through the process of kind of to reclaim your AirPod and all that. So this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, Galaxy Buds Pro. So guys, this earbud, it actually cost like if it's not free, or if you are not getting it with the phone, so if you want to just order it to use, it costs 199 euros. Let me just say 200 euros for just this one. So then it has this smart tag tracker. I don't really know what this is used for, but when I'm done with the unboxing and all that, I'll just go online to kind of check what this smart tag is used for. In case you know what it is used for, guys, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you. So guys, these are the two things that actually came. They are free. I didn't pay. So because I told you guys that if you are making a pre-order of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra between that February till I think March ending, so you actually have the right to this free gift, the earbud and the smart tag. So I'm just going to go right in. I have my scissors here. Let's just do the unboxing together, guys. Anyway, guys, I've really missed you all. I've not really been active on YouTube. You know, if you are from Nigeria, in fact, all those YouTubers living in Nigeria, kudos, because it's not really easy. Sometimes you have your what's it called, like you just do the MB stuff and all that. I was actually doing my 3000 to get like 10 gig or 11 gig. I was using Airtel SIM. But at the end of the day, the network comes whenever it likes. Like when you need it, it's not there. It wasn't really easy. So sometimes I have video when I want to upload on YouTube, like it takes 4 days to upload just one video. So it was just terrible. So guys, I don't know what this is. So this is how it looks, guys. So first I'm just going to check what's inside this place. I think it's just like a manual. Yeah, I'm right. So it's just the manual that is inside. Oh, what's this? So this is inside, guys, as you can see. Then you have just these two things inside. Okay, this is the USB cord. USB cord. There is no adapter, so just for me to be using it with my charger. This is kind of heavy. What? So this is how it looks, guys. heavy, like from other AirPod that I've used so far. This is really heavy. Oh, look guys. So now I have guys, don't mind my voice. I don't know what's wrong with me this morning. My voice is kind of, I don't know, it just somehow. So guys, look, this is so tiny. Look. But it's beautiful, like the color is really nice. I don't know, is this left or right, or I just have to use it anyhow. Okay, I think this one is here. Okay, it has left and right. This one is right. Okay. So guys, this is how it looks. I don't know guys, my voice will be sounding somehow after the AirPod. So this is how it looks guys. It has the left and right symbol, so it will be easy for you to place in your ear. So this is it guys. For the tracker, I'm just going to open it. I don't know what this is used for honestly, but when I'm done with this video, because I've not really had time to like check it, I just collected it from my friend, then I left it inside the wardrobe. So when I'm done, I'll probably just go online to check what this is used for. Okay guys, but if you know what is used for, just let me know in the comment section down below. This is it guys. What is this used for? It kind of look like a key holder. Look, Samsung. Then at the back you have the Galaxy Smart tag. Honestly, I don't know what this is used for. Please guys, help me out. And it's like you can't even charge it because it doesn't have like a space to charge it. I don't know what this is used for. Please fam, help me out. If you know what this Galaxy Smart tag is used for, just let me know in the comment section below, okay? Another good thing about this earbud, it comes with, can you guys see, like this mount here, it comes with extra in case maybe you misplaced that one. Extra, you can see guys, that's really cool. It's really cool guys, like you have extra in case you misplace anyone, you just put it back in the form and to claim my AirPod. So I said, why not, let me just share it with you guys that finally the AirPod came and the tracker. So guys, thanks for watching and thanks for always supporting your girl. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.